Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues on Skype. To know how to find the solution about Skype, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Skype. When you find this list of apps and for we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.